What's up everybody? What's up Ranger fans? What's up YouTube? This is Psycho White here, and today I'm going to share with you my Power Rangers Lightning Collection of Zeo Ranger 4 Green. What's up everybody? So here I have my Power Rangers Lightning Collection of Zeo Ranger 4 Green, and this is part 2 of Wave 8. And this is Johnny Young Bosch, aka Adam, and here is the front side view of it. Here's the side view. Here's the back view. And here's the other side view. And here's the front side view again. And I'll be right back while I open this package. And here I have opened the Zeo Ranger 4 Green. The figures right here. Here's the front view. Here's the side. And here's the other side view. And this is the back. And he comes in some accessories. And here is his Zeo X right here. Here is his Zeo X. And he comes in with two fists there. And his sword. There. And comes in with his pistol, his gun, and here is Adam's head. Very nice detail of it. And for the effect, here is his effect of it. It's sort of a green and yellow colorish, the effect on it. So yeah. And here is the rest of the Wave 8. Here's Dino Thunder Blue Ranger. And here is SPD Pink. And here is Power Rangers Lost Galaxy of Red Ranger. There. Looks. So here's the complete of Wave 8. So yeah, there it is. And here is the rest of the gang of Zeo Rangers. Here is Zeo 3 Blue. And here is Zeo Ranger 5 Red right here. And we have Zeo Gold Ranger right there. Here is the Zeo Rangers. Now all we need is Zero Ranger 1 pink and Zero Ranger 2 yellow. For now, we just have these 4 Rangers. And you can have Adam as a Black Ranger in a metallic mode. And you can put Adam's head on it on the Black Ranger. There it is. Here that looks. Oh yeah, there it is. So here is my Zero Ranger 4 green, and this is the wave 8 of continuation, and that'd be it. And subscribe if you haven't, leave comments below, hit the like button if you wish, and I'll see you in the next video.